Hey Omar and Elizabeth, it's James from next door. Just wanted to shoot this screencast and get it out because I was doing some studying up on your business right here, and as you can see, I did near me. Well, no, I just did just your business, not near Lilburn or Atlanta. But I wanted to pull up the information that I can see, and I see that you've done a good job getting citations going. And it looks like you got a review right here. Is a PDF, a review right here. Well, little saying something about something, but anyway, um, that's all well and good. It will help out if you create a website, and it's according to your name. Of course, it's tied to your name, and it's also tied to your domain name as well. So think about that. I don't see you in the business pack of, with Google, meaning, here's my site here. It's closed right now. Of course, I'm shooting this video, but I'm not seeing an address near you or, next door to me saying HOC construction. That's one thing you could do. It doesn't really cost anything, is look into getting a business map pack and getting on there. Getting more of these links going, like this one here where it says HOC Remodeling Inc. doesn't have your website because you don't have one, but it does have your address. And if you replicate this across every place that you can build citations on, you'll rank up higher in the first spot, like this guy, C&H Construction and Remodeling LLC. And that's what you want to do. I did check. This also is where one of your listings are. I looked for a domain name saying, HOC, HOCconstruction.com. Looks like it's taken. Someone out in Texas has it. I don't know if this is you, but that would be something you want to think about. And I did an exercise to see if HOC remodeling would come up. It did not, so that might be something you might want to take because it has one of the keywords in there, remodeling, and that would probably help you in your ranking if you took that name. I did some remodeling companies near me research, and their map pack, as you can see, Original Builders LLC, comes up to the top. And then once you get past the reviews, Original Builder is the first one showing. Okay, so you can see remodeling is one of the keywords they're using. Company is another, but it's a whole search term, remodeling company, that kind of thing. You can see other keywords popping up, contractor, remodeling, company again. These are some things that you can do as far as putting in your site, the best remodeling company in North Atlanta, which would be a good keyword to put in. I looked at the site, and it's a nice site, decent. They don't have a home page listed up here because their home page is right here. When you click on it, it brings you right to their home page, and it's great. It's a good, nice site. I like the way it's laid out. Reviews, areas, about, content. This is something you might want to think about doing your site. Taking original pictures and naming those pictures so that you can see here in the lower left-hand corner, HTTPS, www. They got their website there, and then service, and then new home building. This should really be named more keyword intent, more keyword rich. You know, if you had keywords under that name saved there, then you could see, you know, more traffic because of those. That's what Google likes to see. Another one that I was looking at was Glacier, and they're a pretty old site, and you know, it looks like they've done fairly well for themselves. They do restaurants too, and homes. And their rating, you know, they're like one of the top best. And that's, you know, you want to have these kind of things. Not to mention, you can see here, Atlanta Best Media and BuildZoom.com. These are like backlinks to other sites, and you can do this on your site to rank better. Same thing here with Learn More and testimonials, all that stuff. So that stuff works good. Okay. Now I want to jump over to the SEO part of it. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. You can use this tool. It is a pay-for one. However, let me just show you what it does for you. Okay. It gives you a trust value. This DR is a trust value, and this site here for original builders is 4.9, and his URL strength is 3.8. He has 82 backlinks. Backlinks are websites coming back to your website. You know, a link in their site coming back to your site. And then referring domains. These are the domains that those backlinks are coming from. Okay. Keywords, 138 minus 2. Traffic is 4 per month. That's not very good. But hey, you know, nice site and everything like that. Looks like they're getting on up there. They've been in business since looks like 2017, and you can see a steady climb up to now, which is good. You know, which means somebody's doing their SEO work on this site much better, and they're climbing slower, which Google likes. They don't want to see a high spike straight up in the air, and it's like, oh, they probably, not every link is created equal, and a lot of people just stuff it, their websites with backlinks that are not even relative to, and you know, they're not relative to their site, and it doesn't really give them strength. It doesn't push the trust up more, and their URL really doesn't get pushed up more. So not everyone is equal when it comes to backlinks. Okay. So you don't want spammy backlinks, in other words. Let's see. Let's look at the Glacier site. And this is a little more impressive. Their trust value is at 21. Pretty good. And their strength is up to 15. You can see they've been in business since 2015. They were up in 2018 and then started going down. Here we go, hitting into COVID, and then they moved on up and got better. Their traffic, look at their traffic. This is per month now. These are search terms that are being found on his site, and his site shows up on pages 808. Shows up according to search term, keyword search terms, 839 times. That can mean a lot of traffic to your website. That means paid customers right there. Okay. And hopefully they're hitting your site. If you do your SEO right, you turn up into the first page, you'll probably get clicked on first before anybody else does. Okay. With that said, that's some things you can probably do as far as thinking about getting a website going. I use Snaps. Snaps is a good tool to use. Try to do a search for Snaps. This one right here. You can Snaps AI. So it is, artificial intelligence. They use it, but publish better, faster. It's a nice tool. It's what I built my website on, LilburnSEO.com, and published it from there. Boy, let me tell you, it took some doing, but once I did it, I was like, yeah, I got it on there, and it's published. So if you guys want to do the same, just stop me whenever you see me. We'll go ahead and talk about this a little bit more, okay? You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.